apartment. Come fuck with the top shotter. Money on me, no.
Y'all, so jumping right into it, here is the look that I came up with today in our chit chat. Get ready with me if you want to see how I achieved this look and you want to see the mess that it took to get this look, and then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaterra Bria'Na. If you don't know, you know. I have so much energy and I don't know why, because I've been having a shitty day, okay? So let's just get right into it, okay? My hair and my brows are already done. You feel me? I'm feeling this hair, but I'm not feeling this hair. I'm about to go on a rant, okay? I already feel like I'm all over the place, so let's try that again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jaterra Bria'Na. If you don't know, you know, so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. We are almost at 9,000 subscribers, you feel me? So when we get to 9,000, then we're gonna be 1,000 more closer to 10,000. If I reach, no, not if, because I'm going to. I have confidence in myself. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, girl, I'm going to lose my shit. Like, I'm probably gonna pass out. I know I'm gonna cry for sure. Like, without a doubt, I'm crying because I'm a crybaby ass bitch. Like, if you don't know, I'm a Cancer and we cry all the time. We cry all the time. That's what people always say, but low-key it is true. So yeah, I know I'm gonna cry and all that stuff, so you know, if you want to be excited with me, you know, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. When I do that, I don't got no neck and I'm so ugly. Anyways, Tyra Banks would not be pleased.
I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you?
But in today's video, as you see the title, we are doing a Get Ready With Me Chit Chat edition, okay? I feel like I've been doing a lot of voiceovers. Disclaimers, okay? If you hear any noise in the background, it's my family. They be doing too much, okay? So that's number one. Number two, I need my nails done real bad. So if you see them and I zoom in to show you something and you see how ugly these nails are, don't come for me. I was supposed to get them done today, but it was too hot outside. Like, literally, what was it, like 90, 92 degrees today? You thought I was gonna go out in that heat. Like, no baby, no. Two, no, that's number two. Three, if you see my lace lifting or you see some glue, girl, just disregard. Don't come for me in the comments. I know it's there. I had a rough time, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all all about my hair experience, okay? Because I was supposed to film this as well. It was supposed to be a hair and makeup Get Ready With Me, but now it's only about to be a makeup Get Ready With Me. And girl, I'm about to rant because I am pissed the fuck off. But anyways, let me start my makeup before we be here all day, okay? Eyebrows are already done, so now I'm about to prime. I'm really not going to get into the products because, like I said, this is a chit chat. You know, it's not a tutorial, you feel me? We're gonna save that for another day. What I will tell you guys is that I'm gonna be doing a summer makeup look before, like, summer is really over with. I'm gonna do a summer look because I bought this palette from NYX and I never used it, so I'm gonna use it today before I really can't, like, get into these colors anymore. So yeah, let me tell y'all why I need a rant. Let me tell y'all about my hair. Okay, so boom. It was about time for me to slay, you know? I feel as though when I wear my hair, like my natural hair out, I look like a little girl. This one man, he was like, you don't look a day over 17. And I was like, boy, I know. But, like, I don't want to always get that. Like, that's going to be good for me in the future when I'm, like, 30 looking 20. That's when it's going to come in handy. But right now, it's getting on my nerves. So, I feel as though I was only looking like that because my motherfucking hair wasn't done. You feel me? And I was like, let me get back to me. You know, I need to look like a baddie. So, I changed my hair to weave, period. Because I look a little bit older when my hair is slayed. So I was gonna film it for you guys, right? Okay, boom. So when I tell y'all everything that could have went wrong, it went wrong. Like, bro, okay, first of all, my mannequin head stand, it broke, okay? Literally broke right off into 2 pieces. And then my ring light stand also broke. So at this point, I was finna cry, but I was like, you know what? I gotta keep pushing. So then I started doing my hair, right? Boom. until I couldn't find any of my wig caps. So I'm like, I know my wig caps didn't just, you know, grow feet and disappear. So like at this point I was like, F it, I'm not gonna be able to record this. I'm just gonna have to do my hair and then I'll record the makeup part, right? Boom. So the hair was coming out good, but like it just took a really long time to get laid like this, and I was getting agitated, like, girl, I wanted to spaz. It took me 2.5 hours to do my hair. Granted, I didn't have no stand, no ring light. I couldn't see, cause once you do your hair and makeup in a ring light, you have to have like that type of lighting, or you won't feel like you can't see nothing. So I was feeling that way. So I think that slowed me down. Oh, I'm doing my face and stuff, and I didn't do my eyeshadow. I forgot I was supposed to be doing a summer look. Oh my gosh, y'all. I mean, it's okay, I could still do it, but like I don't ever do my face makeup before my eyes. So I don't know what this is about to look like. Today's just not my day. It's not my day. And that's okay. I'm gonna keep going, okay? Because I can't give up now. Quitters never prosper. So I feel like I just been like complaining the whole time, but I'm in a really good mood. Don't get me wrong, like I am in a good mood, but like I don't know. And now I'm looking at my eyebrows. I'm like, do I like these? These little hairs keep getting out the way on the tail. I think this one is. This is just too much. Also, I noticed that a lot of people be commenting in my comments about my brows, like I need to fix them, this, that, and the third, and I'm like, first of all, sis, you don't know me. Like my brows are like different on the regular. This one looks like it's arched more, but it's not. That's how my natural brow sits. Like this one sits straighter and it's always down, but this one is arched. And like when I used to model, I was known for like walking with my brow like this, and I like moving my brows a lot and everything. I can't move them too much right now because my wig tight as shit, but yeah, that's just how my brows are. So you know, don't come for my brows because that's how they naturally are. So y'all, how am I about to do this? Like, what if I get fallout? Is it gonna mess up all my face makeup? Like, how do people do this? Like, do I put am I supposed to put powder and bake the entire time I'm doing my eye look so my face makeup doesn't get messed up? I don't like baking though, because I'm not a dry girl, I'm not an oily girl, I'm right in between. So like, I don't know, but we're gonna see how this look turns out on me. Oh my god, y'all probably think I'm a little crackhead. Ew, I hate when foundation gets on my nails. That should be white nails at that. That should be throwing me off. Can't wait to get my nails done tomorrow. For my females, am I the only one who be asking my nigga for advice on like my nail color, and then I don't follow his advice like at all? Like he'll specifically say a color that's actually cute, and then I just won't get it. Am I the only person that does that, or like, is that wild? Y'all, here I am doing a summer look and it's almost fall. I'm excited that it's fall though. Like, I can't wait to sit around and watch all the fall and Christmas movies with my family. And oh my god, I'm gonna tell my grandma to give me some hot chocolate.
Chocolate?
This is the first time that like I've been home from school and I can like actually enjoy my family and enjoy the holidays. Like, I'm about to be geeked. Comment down below what's your favorite holiday. Mine low key is Thanksgiving. However, I do love giving and receiving gifts. I feel like giving and receiving gifts is a part of my love language for some reason. Like, I've never taken that little test, the little quiz to like determine what's your love language, but I think that would be one of them. Yo, I really did my face makeup before my eyes. Like, I was big tripping. I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Like, what is wrong with me today? Did I smoke something? Jesus. Skirt, 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 boy, you better run. My grandma cooked some food. She made dinner and it smells so good. I don't even know what she cooked, but I'm just ready to eat it because it smells so good. Is this contour too harsh? Should I blend it out a little more? I don't know. Is that my boss? Beach, 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 beach. Y'all, I don't know if y'all watched my latest video. If you didn't, go check it out. I'll put the card right here somewhere. But I started working out because I went and joined Planet Fitness the other day. Right. When I tell y'all that my freaking body hurts so bad, it don't make no sense whatsoever. Like, literally everything aches. Everything hurts. I woke up and I felt like I couldn't move. I felt like I could not move a muscle. It was so bad. Okay, I really don't know what kind of eye makeup I'm doing, and I don't know if y'all want to even care, but just know I'm gonna be going back and forth in between the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette and the NYX Ultimate Shadow palette. Wow, okay, so far we don't have any fallout. I'm very purple, you know, like when I said colorful, I went out there. Yeah, so I kind of like it so far though. It wasn't the color I thought it was gonna be, but y'all know how like trashed this palette got with like the reviews of it. So I honestly truly like I should have known. But anyways, I think I'm gonna cut my crease. This is not supposed to be a tutorial, but y'all, I'm confused. Like, so do I do the long crease that I be seeing people do, or do I chill out because I really don't know what I'm doing and I already did my face makeup and just stick to my little half cut that I be doing? Or do I just do it? Fuck it, we ball. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna push myself. If it come out ugly, I'm probably sure I know how to fix it. Take my kindness for weakness, still coming up strong. I think I picked up the wrong brush for this. Yeah, I did. This look would look really cute with a wing eyeliner, but who feels like doing all that? Not me. I'm not sure if she was supposed to be that girl, but she's that girl today, okay? Because that looks pretty darn good for me, like doing this my first time. That looks kind of good. That looks kind of good. I'm impressed. This looks good. Now we gotta do the other side, but this looks good. I'm impressed. Yeah. Now, what color do we go into? Oh no, BS. I'm kind of scared to use this palette because it's a little chalky. Like, it's a little chalky, and I do not like no chalky eye makeup. Let's see. I'm gonna start with this light shade because if it's chalky, I can just cover it up with a darker blue from a different palette. I think it's gonna be chalky. Low key, I think it's gonna be chalky. Very chalky. Very chalky. I'm not sure if y'all can see that. I'm not feeling that chalkiness, so I'm gonna go into my Oba Faithful Jaclyn Hill palette. And I'm glad I got a light. I took that light green because I'm just gonna take this green and go right over it. I know this is not a tutorial, but I just had to tell y'all because y'all probably gonna be wondering like what palettes and what makeup products I'm gonna be using. Everything will be in the description box below. I usually don't do that. I usually take the lazy route and don't put nothing in the description box, but I know that if I was watching a makeup tutorial, I would want to know what someone used, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them down there, you Maybe I should use a different brush for this part because I'm going in with a different color. Jaterra, gotta be smart. So you just not gonna open for me, huh? So after all the venting I done did about me having a bad day, you just not gonna open? Brushes. I used to always play in colors, but like I wouldn't never post them on my YouTube because I didn't know what people was gonna think about it. Cause I don't know. I really wasn't that good, and I'm still not that good. Like in comparison to how I do like my neutral eyes and stuff, like I be slaying those, but these they be a hit or miss, low key, you know. So wow, that's really long. I'm really setting myself up to like do a wing liner. I guess I got to. Let me attempt this wing liner and I'm gonna come back, okay? Because I know it's missing something, so maybe it's missing the wing, and then I could like, we gonna see. Hey guys, so I lied. I did my eyeliner and I also put on lashes. I got carried away with myself and I forgot that I was supposed to be recording this. So also, y'all see what I'm using to put my lashes on? Oh my god. Okay, so boom, I ran out of eyelash glue last week, but I haven't done my makeup since then, and I went to go get my eyelash glue and I'm like, why can't I find my eyelash glue? And I'm like, oh girl, it's because you ran out. Hello. And I was like, oh, I ran out of eyeshadow. I mean, not eyeshadow, I ran out of eyelash glue, and it's like, what can you do now? Because your whole face is beat. Literally, I did my face for my eyeshadow and I'm almost done. So like, what am I gonna use? And I was like, I've always been that type of person that has said I would never use hair glue on my eyelashes because that stuff can rip your lashes out, and I'm not trying to be no bald eyelash ass bitch. But look what I'm doing, and I realized that this works better than the eyelash glue I had. I don't know if hair glue works better than every single eyelash glue, but honey, I tried to tug on this eyelash that I already put on. She ain't going nowhere. You don't have to wait for it to dry because this is the 30-second glue, so you don't have to wait till it dries. You just put your little glue on there and pop your lash on, and boom. And it's black, so it's blending on my liner. Hold on, do y'all see my liner? I know I gotta clean up this this purple eyeshadow under there, but baby, that liner is popping. I'm so excited. I went upstairs to see what my grandmother cooked. Oh my gosh, she made some chicken and rice and something. I think it was collard greens. I don't know, but I'm about to crush. Is really why I'm trying to hurry up and rush right now. I've literally been speeding through my makeup since I heard her say that like food was ready. Cause y'all, I'm literally like starving. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I don't know, like I don't know if I like this. I don't know. I need to get some new lip glosses. Okay, I feel a little bit better now. I feel like things have came together. Okay, sis. I also feel like I talked about a lot of nothing in this video, so I'm sorry if this chit chat get ready with me was all over the place. Before I say anything else outrageous out of my mouth, let me just wrap it up. So yeah, that completes this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, regardless of everything that happened, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your push notifications so you're always notified every single time I post a video. And yeah, without further ado, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. I need some more hood rat friends. Shake that ass. Fill up, baby, fill on me.